Introducing the Bright MLS T3 Home Demand Index. Whether you're looking to grow your market expertise, demonstrate insight into housing demand, present sellers with compelling arguments for pricing it right, or guide buyers in the right direction for a sound investment and a solid offering strategy, Bright's Home Demand Index is a game changer. What is it? Bright's Home Demand Index tracks levels of interest through pre-purchase activities to measure home buying demand in a specific market. This is an unprecedented, near real-time experience. What this means to you is more accurate insight about buyer demand in one of the big three MLS market areas, with overall geographic markets, zip codes, and even specific housing types. Know the overall demand, from limited to high, a comparison to the prior month and year, change information, and a summary prepared by a housing economist. With historical year-over-year comparison, you'll be able to pick out trends and compare seasonality. The home demand map vividly illustrates what zip codes are seeing the most activity and demand for targeting your efforts. Demand and inventory by home type gives you the opportunity to see what market segments are experiencing the most intense interest. Bright's Home Demand Index is here. How will you use it to drive your business forward?